Okay. Well, let's try this again. Simple. Name.
I told you I don't remember.
You don't remember. You don't remember. What were you doing on the island?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Why'd you kill the kids?
I'm over here.
What the hell is your name?
I don't know.
I don't know. What is going on here?
And you are?
Dr. Chalice, forensic
Dr.
psychologist.
Chalice,
You have no
outside.
right.
Does anybody work here? When do we start letting random people march into interrogation?
I am interviewing a suspect in a multiple homicide in there. I have no name, but I have 6 dead kids. You watch the news?
Under the circumstances, detective.
Under the circumstances, are you talking about me?
All I'm saying is that the DA's office has sent me in here to make sure you're not holding the suspect without due process. For God's sake, where's her lawyer?
She was read her rights. I understand the concept of Miranda. She declined a lawyer.
Whoa, 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 whoa. From what I've been told about the state she's in, she doesn't even know what a lawyer is right now. Okay, I'm here to make sure she understands what's going on. An edict from the county DA. She's in my custody until her family's located.
Where are you taking her?
I'm taking her to a hospital. God only knows what happened to her on that island.
Well, I don't know what happened to her, but I know what happened to the other 6 kids.
Okay, from now on, anyone questions that girl, it's gonna be me.
Yeah? And I'll be standing right next to you.
Fine.
Something will get him. Wait, what are you saying? That somebody murdered Keith?
This is personal. No, that's crazy. We're not gonna kill him.
This has gotta have something to do with it. What the fuck did you do?
She's gonna hurt herself. Get her leg!
Grab her arm. Hold it, hold it. Okay, go get that looked at. I got it. I'll watch her. I got it.
What'd you tell your mom this year?
Ugh, doesn't matter. Once again, she didn't buy it. Told me to say hi to Kyle.
Oh, she's good.
Yeah.
It's a party or something.
So,
I remember that.
coming to the party?
We were all just old friends getting together one last time before we all went off.
Hey, look who's here.
Ah, so it begins again.
Look at you. Mwah. Oh, and my, how you have blossomed.
Oh, just trying to
Get
control
this
your-
shit on board, man.
Holy shit, it's Mark!
Hey, Keith, stop the boat, man!
Oh, come on, where's the fun in that? Let's see how badly he wants to party!
Hey, little help here, you guys.
Fair, man. Welcome.
Hey, thanks, Keith. I appreciate it, buddy.
Ladies, get this man a beer. Hey.
There was someone that I really cared for.
This is one of the best moments of my life. All my friends are finally making something of themselves, and I no longer have to be embarrassed to be seen walking down the street with you.
What time did you start drinking today?
About 7 a.m.
Hey, did you guys hear? Somebody's moving to New York next week to dance for Juilliard.
I knew it. My own brother, gay as a tangerine.
Oh, it's gonna be like that all weekend, huh? Yeah. No, seriously, Jenna, that's great.
No, hold on a sec, guys. Look, here's to a weekend up the deep end.
And to the rest of us. For those of us who could survive each other and parties for the last 4 years.
Surviving? I've flourished.
free country.
All right, well, cheers to Mark. Wouldn't have been the same without you, buddy.
Thanks, bro. Cheers.
Cheers.
Why'd you have to bring that stupid dog?
Does it really piss you off?
Yeah, it does.
Good doggy.
What's up with that? I'll take care of it, man.
No, relax. I can handle it.
Welcome to paradise. No cell phones, no TVs, no computers. May God have mercy on your souls.
Amen, brother. Woo! Preach!
I always forget how beautiful it is here.
Our own little slice of paradise.
Well done.
You too, bro.
I'll meet you guys up there.
Thanks.
That's your brother, man.
You're telling me.
So you want to talk about it? What's there to talk about? He said he wouldn't come, and he came.
Ladies.
What? You know he still loves you.
No, Mark thinks that he still loves me, and there's a difference.
Well, it seems to me like he went out of his way to get here, don't you think?
No, Mark went out of his way because he wouldn't want to miss a party. And if I hadn't come, he'd get over it.
Someone's in denial.
That's weird.
No. Nice try, Tyler.
Yeah.
Found this next to one of the victims. Is that what you're talking about?
They're all dead, aren't they?
Yes. Are you starting to remember?
A little.
Tell me, who killed them, honey? Who killed your friends?
Objection! Leading the witness, Your Honor. Come on, look, you can't have it both ways, all right, Doctor? Look, here, watch this. You're like this. This is me being diplomatic. Okay, look. I don't like to see dead kids. So if you didn't do it, who did? Thoughts?
Hey, don't worry about it, man. Worry about what? Jenna. I mean, come on, we're gonna have a fun time anyway, right? Just wait till everybody gets here. Then you get yourself someone else.
Look, I get that she didn't want me to come, okay? But it's my last chance to get her back.
Maybe you should just move on.
Look, you don't get it. If she leaves, it's over. And I am not gonna let that happen.
Look, man, all I'm saying is that you guys have been...
No, you think I'm wasting my time.
No, but I think you're wasting hers. Do you ever think about how long we've all known each other? Maybe it's just time.
It's not just time. Look, every relationship hits its snags, but you just play through it.
Yeah, for the last 3 years. Dude, I'd let it go.
Well, you're not me.
Let there be light.
Jenna.
What?
Jenna. Jenna Campbell.
That's you, Jenna?
Yes. Yeah.
Check the name, find the family. All right, let's get going.
Just give her a minute.
Look, no sale in the bullshit, okay? I want to know who else was on that island. Witnesses say that 6 people got on that boat.
There was somebody else. Hey.
Hey.
So, we here?
It's amazing too. Yeah.
I just put a saw on my wife gave me the doctor and it was all right.
Hi.
Hi.
Stowaway. Found her hiding below.
Wait, what the hell are we supposed to do with her?
You'll figure it out. What's your name, baby?
Megan.
Okay. Megan, let me introduce you
Oh,
to...
no. I know who all of you are. Tyler, you're the coolest. This is your brother Kyle, who wishes he was you. And this is Ashley, Kyle's hottie du jour.
Wait a minute.
No, I like this. Please, keep going.
Okay, you're Jenna, the dancer, who's going off to the big city and leaving behind your little Romeo. That's okay, really. It just leaves more guys for me.
All right there, sweetheart.
Yes, my kind of girl. Come on, Megan. Let me take you under my wing and give you a personal tour of my estate.
Okay. No. She's coming with us. Yes. Because she's gonna need all the protection that she can get. Come on, let's go make a drink.
Well, he's got protection.
I'm sure he does.
He just never uses it.
That, my friend, is trouble.
Oh, yeah.
All right, is this her?
Yes,
What's her name?
Megan. This is Megan.
Okay, Megan. So why was Megan trouble?
She was young, sexy.
Were you threatened by her?
No, Megan was special. She wasn't like anyone I'd ever met before. She's a very special person.
Special how?
Like the whole world owed her something.
Okay, well, if she was so special, then how come somebody stabbed her in the throat?
I don't know.
Come on.
I don't know.
Okay, that's it. We're calling it a night. It's enough. Come on, honey.
Good God, Marge. Take the batteries out of those magic shorts.
What, I found him in a drawer upstairs.
Well, put them back.
All right.
No! A toast, to my brother and his tragically warped mind for giving us these wonderful sleazy moments every single year.
Aren't we forgetting someone?
Jenna had to go down to the dock. Something about getting away.
Get away, why? Because I'm here?
Where do you think you're going?
Well, I was going down to the dock.
Well, not in those magic shorts, you're not.
Good point.
Okay. Cheers, brother. Oh, yeah. That was good.
Hey, we're going hot tubbing, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we are. Hold on. I can't let you leave without doing your warm-up exercises, so let me get you a drink.
All right.
They're strong. It'll really knock you out, but it'll help you sleep, okay? It's not her.
And you know this how?
It's what I do for a living.
Well, I did a little detective work. It's what I do for a living. And found that you're a terrific expert witness. Very good in the courtroom, but you're a little thin on practical experience.
I studied 7 years at Washington State.
Yeah, I'm sure your parents are very proud of you, but I deal with people like this every day.
And you get answers by badgering them. Look, we both want to know what happened, but let's just try to coax her to talk, not bludgeon her.
Something went sideways on that island. And it started that first night. I'm gonna find out what it was.
Now this, young Megan, is a stairway to heaven. You start at one end, I'll start at the other end, and when we meet in the middle...
We'll be in heaven.
Cheers.
That's bad.
Only 3.5 more to go.
So you were alone that night? You know, I'm not really sold on the act. No, your good friend, the doctor, you know, she's on the line. You got her. Believe me, I will find the truth.
Why are you here?
Couldn't sleep. You know? Just want the truth, right, Jenna? And I got kids myself. I gotta go and I gotta tell the parents of your friends.
My parents?
We haven't figured out where they are yet. Then you haven't given us a lot to go on.
I wish that I could remember more. Everyone was drinking or looking for sex or whatever.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
We've got a party pack there.
Oh, Pierre.
I'll bet you.
But how did you know you drink it?
Oh, he's Mexican. Mexicans drink tequila. The only one.
No, doggy wants out.
You don't think like a battle grab him, do you?
Oh, I hope so.
Oh. Going where I think we're going?
I'm taking you to heaven.
You know, there is no one left alive to tell me that you're not telling the truth, so why don't you tell me a story? What happened that first night? The dog? You were alone?
No. You're right. I wasn't alone.
So, this is how it is. Now you can't stand to be in the same room as me.
Well, you said you wouldn't come.
I couldn't help myself.
Well, that's not much of an excuse.
Yeah, well, some feelings defy words.
Okay, that would be hard to argue with, except for the fact that it's bullshit. And the truth is you just have no self-control.
Oh, yeah. There's that, too. Look, could we just call a truce for the weekend, at least? And you can go off to New York and forget I ever existed.
Oh, that's dramatic.
I'm a dramatic guy.
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to ask you something. Yeah, just because I've never really done this before.
Really? What? How old are you?
15. What's wrong? You have a video camera? Can we tape this? Come on, it'll be cool.
No. No, we can't tape it.
What's wrong? Are you mad?
No. No, this was just a mistake. I'm sorry.
Then he left.
Left Megan.
Yeah. She told me she was a virgin. And Tyler went off on his own.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a coffee.
Not enough sleep last night, Detective? Okay, so was Tyler alone when it all happened?
Where's the ice?
Gone.
Well, get some more.
I'm gonna.
What? What is that? What is that?
There's blood all over me.
I can see that. I can see that.
Calm down!
Where's there blood on?
I don't know.
Where did you even get it from?
Where did I get it from? It's pulling out the goddamn
Hey, what's the
buckets.
problem? Kyle give you too hard a love bite?
So who's the asshole?
What happened?
The bucket? The ice bucket?
Yeah, someone filled it up with blood.
Someone snuck up and filled a bucket
Look,
with
we're
blood.
making out, okay? We don't care what's going on around us.
Well, it was me, bro. Good joke, though.
That's what started it all?
I think so. It was creepy, you know? She had blood everywhere.
It's not a joke. This isn't funny. God, all you care about is fucking that little girl.
If you think I'm so horrible, then why the hell are you here? Between you and that dog.
Where's Pierre?
I let him out to pee.
Alone. By himself.
Yeah.
God, you don't let a little dog out in the woods. Something will get him.
Tyler, that was stupid, man. He's a little dog. He'd die out there.
I don't give a shit if he dies. Fine. Fine. I'll go find your little mutt, if just to shut you the hell up.
Hey, come on. Let's get you cleaned up.
So you were there?
No, I was down at the dock.
But when you got to the cabin...
She was cleaned up by the time that I got back.
And you know this how?
Look, I don't know. I'm trying to tell you what they told me. I'm trying to tell you everything that I remember.
All right, you know what? It's just that it's interesting you can tell us about all these things, details, when you weren't even there.
Are you trying to say that I'm lying?
Hey, if the shoe fits.
Okay, I'm trying to tell you everything that I remember, okay? Stop calling me a liar. I'm not lying to you.
Okay. No one is saying anything. Okay, look at me. We just want to know what happened next. Okay, you tell it your way.
Pierre! What's up? Goddamn dog ran away.
Oh, I'm sure he couldn't have gone that far.
And I bet Keith's got him. Exactly the type of game that prick likes to play. Relax. We don't even know if he's got the dog. He doesn't understand subtlety, man. Keith, open the door!
This better be good.
We want the dog.
What are you talking about? The dog. Have you seen it?
No, I haven't seen it. Well, if you do, bring it down to the house.
Let's go.
Hey. Come here.
Some people think it's funny to eat a dog drunk.
I don't know about you, but I think that went really well, Tyler. Bit of an idiot, though, sometimes.
Sometimes I'd like to kill that bastard.
What's going on?
Someone else is out there.
No one else is out there.
You didn't have blood smeared all over your face.
Guys, it's Keith.
Yeah, well, I got something for that guy next time he comes around.
What the hell is that?
It's a buck knife. So the next time that Keith or anybody else tries something.
Holy shit.
Oh, what the hell?
No. Okay, I wouldn't do that. You know me, Ashley.
Well, somebody did.
Well, it was Keith then.
Well, how would Keith get inside and use your knife?
I don't know, but it wasn't me.
Okay, obviously, Kyle wouldn't do that. Which means somebody else is on the island.
No way. We would have heard something. A boat. No, this island is surrounded by cliffs. The only way on it is our dock.
We were there the whole time.
I don't like this.
It was Keith. He's fucking with us. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna go get a good night's sleep. You should too.
Come on, Ash, you believe me, right?
Pierre,
It's not Pierre.
how do you know?
Because the amount of blood that you said you saw in the bucket. Ash, it's not Pierre, okay? You'll see, he'll come back tomorrow and everything will be fine.
You want some company?
Yeah.
Good night.
It's not how I saw this night ending.
What's that?
We found her parents. They're in Cambodia on holidays. They're on the way back, but it'll take 2 days.
Who vacations in Cambodia?
Rich people. This file's everything the DA's office could find on her. She's clean as a whistle.
How clean are whistles? What, you want me to read this?
If you want to know who you're talking to. Look, I read your file too. I can't imagine what you went through. But this is different. And if I hear that you've questioned her again without my knowledge, I'll have you tossed in jail. Grab some breath mints. Won't be so obvious.
It was Keith. It was Keith. It was Keith. It was Keith.
Coffee?
Yeah. Whoa. Looks like Dawn of the Dead.
Morning, sunshine.
How you feeling?
Oh, hot chocolate? No, coffee, actually.
So, where's Ashley?
Oh, she's out looking for Pierre this morning.
Nice one, Tyler. Real nice.
No, don't worry. It's a small island. He'll show up.
Pierre! Maybe it's Mommy. Pierre!
hell is this?
Pierre!
What the hell is that?
What is it? What happened?
It's probably Pierre.
He's gotta be around here somewhere.
It's like whatever got him made him home.
I'm bleeding.
Holy shit!
That poor bastard hung himself.
What the hell does that say?
It says evil. Look, we gotta get him down.
No, leave him there.
What do you mean, just leave him there? Are you out of your mind?
No, he means for the cops. They'd want us to leave the way we found him.
I hate blood. Hate. Look, go back to the house. Me and Kyle, we're gonna radio the cops. We're gonna go to the boat. All right?
Yeah.
Come on.
He was just hanging there. Blood was just dripping. You said he was the killer. I'm sorry, it's all coming back to me in flashes.
And where were you when he was killed?
Armory.
Come on, it's a legitimate question, all right? Where were you?
I was asleep.
Asleep.
I was asleep. We were all asleep.
So anybody could have been the killer.
Not anybody.
Okay, look, so Keith is dead. You could have just left the island.
No.
Oh, come, what bullshit, all right? Your friend gets killed and you do what?
Okay.
Nothing?
Just stop, okay? This was not your son.
What?
Nothing.
Thank you, Doctor.
Nothing. Okay, Jenna, think. Why didn't you all just leave the island?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't remember. No. Wait.
There's supposed to be a boat here, right? It's impossible. It can't be gone.
This is so fucked.
Someone else was here.
Okay, honey. Here you go. A little Valium to take the edge off, okay?
Cops coming?
No, man, there's no cops. The boat's gone.
What? How could it be gone?
We think that Keith didn't kill himself.
I'm not surprised. The guy made a sport out of pissing people off.
Wait, what are you saying? That somebody murdered Keith?
Well, whoever did it's long gone, so we can't really do anything till everybody gets here tomorrow night.
I say we go cut down Keith.
I'm not going back out there. What? No, I'm gonna go out down to the dock and I'm gonna try to wave somebody down, make myself useful.
Come on, we gotta go. Oh, Kyle, stop. Listen, you hear that?
That's that stupid wind-up toy.
Well, so who wound it up? We're all here.
Hey, Tyler, come on, man. If that's you, this isn't funny.
Wait, Mark.
You'll be all right.
What is it?
I don't know. It stopped.
What was it?
I don't know. It was a girl's voice, but she wasn't making any sense.
Okay. Someone is really, really screwing with you guys.
No, us. Because we're all in this together.
Nobody knows I'm here.
I guess somebody else has to be on the island.
No one else is on the island except for us.
Okay, then. Then one of us killed Keith.
This is bullshit. We've all been together.
But that's not true. Somebody could have snuck out last night.
That's crazy. We're not the killers. Look, we just have to stay calm. Come on, let's go cut Keith down. You guys gonna be okay here?
Yeah, go. We'll be fine.
I have to go find Pierre. He's alone.
No, you go rest, and Megan and I will go find Pierre, okay? I promise.
Look, there's something I gotta tell you about Keith, okay? He wasn't just some caretaker or errand boy. He was our half-brother. My dad had an affair early in the relationship. So anyway, Keith shows up at our door one day as a teenager with nowhere to go. So our dad took him in. I mean, what else could he do? He loved him, right? Of course, my mom didn't, so she never wanted me and Tyler to know that he was our half-brother. But we did.
That explains why Tyler rode him so hard.
Yeah, Tyler's always been a mom's boy.
This is the spot, right?
What the fuck is going on here?
Even the blood's gone. They're still here. Whoever killed them, they're here.
Keith.
I know.
You know, it doesn't look like he died in the way that you described.
It doesn't, Jenna.
I don't know what to tell you.
You told us in detail. Said he was hanging by his feet, was bleeding. Do you want to see how he really died?
No, I don't.
Okay. Okay, who was next?
Pierre, baby. Oh, come on, boy. Where are you? Pierre? Pierre? Pierre?
Jenna! Ashley!
No one's here. They're gone.
They must be out looking for the dog.
Well, you go look for them, okay? I'm gonna go down to the dock and warn Tyler.
All right.
Jenna! Jenna!
Hey,
Where's Jenna?
I'm not sure.
Jenna! Jenna!
Mark! What's wrong?
Whoever killed Keith is still on the island.
What? How do you know that?
Because when we went to cut him down, he was gone.
Hey!
Where's Ashley? I was hoping she was with you.
When I left, she was going to lay down inside.
Well, she's not there now.
You guys, Pierre's collar.
What the hell's guilty supposed to mean?
Oh my God.
Ashley and I grew up together. We shared first grade. Her brother was my first kiss. I held her head over the toilet bowl the first time she got drunk. Can I talk to her?
She's dead, Jenna. You just told us how it happened.
She's dead.
What is happening? This is insane. She can't be dead.
I think this is personal. Just some random maniac.
Would you rather be killed randomly or by somebody who's taking it personal?
This isn't funny. God, why is everything always a joke to you?
And this has got to have something to do with you. What the fuck did you do?
Why, when shit goes down, is it automatically my fault?
Because it always is.
Oh, fuck you, Jenna. She was my friend,
Hey!
too.
What, okay, maybe it is one of you. Well, I mean, it's possible, right? I mean, you guys are pretty out there. All I'm saying is maybe one of you guys just snapped and you started killing people. Plus, you keep saying that no one else could have gotten on the island.
You were supposed to be watching her. Where were you?
I was looking for Pierre.
With a fucking killer out there? What were you thinking? Gee, I wish I was dead.
And where were you, Tyler? Huh? On the dock, supposedly? By yourself?
Yeah, and what, we were supposed to believe you were looking for a dog?
I was with Megan.
Not the whole time. Well, you weren't.
Enough! We have to work together here.
I'm out.
You're not going anywhere, Tyler. We need to work this shit out. From now on, we stick together, no exceptions.
So what are we supposed to do with Ashley? We can't just leave her here.
Or maybe we should put her in the freezer in the shed.
At least she'll stay fresh. I mean... I don't know what I mean.
I hate putting her in here.
We can go for help.
No, we're too far out for that. But we can use them here. You remember these? They still work. That's good.
So who was innocent?
I told you we all were.
Well, not all of you.
Megan was. I was.
Yeah, you said that before. Why Megan?
Because she wasn't even supposed to be there. I told you she was special.
Listen.
Who's there? You okay? Wait, Kyle, be careful.
Kyle. Here.
Get off! Oh, shit! Pull. Get off!
Pull your leg. Take your weight off.
Okay, I'm gonna get towels. Megan, you get water.
Okay, there you go.
Go ahead.
All right. Secure the place and make sure no one's here.
I'll check upstairs.
Wait.
What are you reading?
I never really spent much time reading the Bible. Tonight, I don't know, I guess makes me feel safe.
You're safe here.
Doctor.
Mm-hmm.
Detective Armory. You mentioned his son.
It was a college hazing gone bad. Too much drinking. They did their own version of water torture. He drowned.
I didn't know.
How could you? He was the first policeman on the scene. Nearly killed one of the kids. 3 of them got the maximum.
His will be done.
What's that?
It's the Lord's Prayer. Do you know it?
Yes. Here's your pill.
Again?
I'll help you sleep every other night, right?
Yeah.
Good night, Jenna.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, dude, that would come in handy.
Would you take it easy on that stuff?
Oh, I feel better.
Hey, little surprise for that bastard. Carpenter's nail gun.
Oh, shit. We should get him upstairs. He'll probably sleep better in a bed.
Get his legs?
Wait. Do you think we should put him up there alone?
What, you think he's the killer? He just took one for the team.
No, I wasn't. No, whatever. Okay, I'll stay with him. Okay.
Yeah, sure, he'd love that. Move.
Come on, move. Help me out. Come on, big guy. There you go. You're okay. Whoa, you're okay.
Where? Where?
He's over there by that tree.
He's gone.
What did he look like?
He was wrapped in gray cloth and his face was covered.
We should go back inside.
We'll sleep in shifts tonight.
I'm not sleeping. What time is it?
It's 4.
This is insane. I bet you were sorry you came.
There's nowhere I'd rather be.
To be selfishly honest, I'm happy you came. I can't imagine what this would be like if you weren't here.
Well, it's good to know that I'm still useful. As long as there's a deranged psychopath on the loose.
What's going on with the lights?
All right, get ready.
But I gotta go check on Kyle.
Megan!
Wait, no! Megan, no! Kyle? Kyle, you okay? Kyle? Kyle's gone. He's not there. I don't know. He's not there.
What do you mean he's gone?
I don't know. He's gone.
Tyler, your brother's gone.
What was that?
I don't know, he's gone.
What do you mean my brother's gone?
I don't know. Went out there, he wasn't there.
The nail gun.
Get in, now!
Come on. Yeah.
Megan, come here. Stay down and get over here.
Come on, Mike, come on.
Oh my God. They're not deep. I'm gonna pull these out, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Fast or slow?
Fast. Yeah.
Second one.
Yeah. Just, yeah. Go. Oh, God.
You okay?
That's Kyle.
Hey!
That's Kyle. That's Kyle.
Hey, no!
Yeah.
Hey,
No, that's my brother.
I know! I'm not going anywhere tonight. You're not going to 50 feet. Stay here, all right? Stay here.
We're here.
Honey.
Hey. You're all right.
It was Regina. She was here. I wanted to help her.
Who's Regina,
I wanted to help her.
Who's Regina, huh? Now, hey, that's all right. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
You guys hear that?
It's Kyle. There. Hey, Kyle. Where are you, buddy? Kyle! Kyle!
It's my fault.
Oh, guys, shh, just quiet. Listen, guys.
I can hear him.
Would you shut up and listen? There's a noise in the background. Listen.
It's the dock. It's the dock. He's at the dock. Come on. Tell me where you are, man. Tell me where you are.
Keep talking.
Kyle, this isn't one of those games of hide and go seek we used to play as kids. Tell me where you are.
Hey, over here!
Tell me where you are. I'll fucking kill you! I'll fucking kill you!
You guys, there's gotta be something more to this. The words, they have to mean something.
Yeah, like they've got to be clues to something?
Yeah, it's like a puzzle, and we're supposed to figure it out. I don't know, an anagram, maybe?
What is that?
Letters that can be rearranged to mean something else.
Atonement. Kyle kept repeating atonement.
Wait, what were the other ones?
Revenge was written on that wind-up toy.
And when we found Keith, it said evil.
And naive, guilty, and innocent.
They're just words.
No, there's gotta be something more.
Could it be a name?
Angie.
Gina.
Anne.
Regina.
Regina, the name you said last night.
The girl I saw in my room.
Come on, Jenna. You know that that's not.
Did you know her?
don't know. Something bad happened to her, though.
Regina Anderson.
But I've heard of her. Yeah, but that's the girl that disappeared last year.
What happened?
It all started out so... I don't know if innocently is the right word, but... it shouldn't have turned out the way it did, that's for sure. She was one of those people you look at but don't see.
Kyle and I spotted her at the bus stop. For a laugh, we convinced her to come to our party.
She said she'd have to sneak out, and she wouldn't be allowed to go. She said people knew about our parties. We completely forgot about her. We didn't even think she'd come. Bottoms up. Bottoms up. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, but she did.
She did. You wanna dance for me? You wanna dance for me?
What did you do to her?
What do you think we did? I mean, it's not like she didn't want it. I mean, somehow she drank too much.
Somehow?
She wanted to be remembered. So we indulged her. We all did. The next day, she freaked out. She begged me not to tell anyone, to shut everybody up.
Good morning, movie star.
Guess I could have just told her it was a bad dream, that she drank too much, and nothing really happened. It's not the kind of guy I am, right?
I mean, this Regina girl, she could still be out there.
Or she killed those kids.
It's entirely possible.
Something's beginning to bother me. Did you read Jenna's file?
You told me to.
Well, she told us she went to first grade with Ashley. I double-checked. They didn't meet till middle school.
Well, you said yourself that she'd been traumatized, right? I know that when my boy died, I could barely tie my shoes.
There's more.
I guess she got home and she ran away. Disappeared.
Until now. Because she came back.
No.
How can you be sure?
She wasn't that type of girl. She was too weak.
Well, she told somebody then.
Never. She was too ashamed.
Then who is it?
I don't know. Okay, my brother's out there somewhere, and he doesn't stand a chance unless we go after him. Now, I say we go to Keith's cabin. It's our best bet.
I just want to go home. Okay, this doesn't have anything to do with me. I didn't even know her. I barely even know you.
Oh, come on, Megan.
Fuck off!
We're not gonna leave you alone.
But they don't want me. They want you, so just stay the hell away from me.
You know what? You have a point. Like, she was alone when Ashley was killed and upstairs when they took Kyle and they didn't even touch her.
Innocent. The word.
Meaning that Megan is...
Maybe the only one who is. Okay. Give it to me. Take this so we can at least stay in contact. Take it. didn't think it was safe for her. And in my gut, I knew that it was wrong to let her go, but nobody else seemed to care about her.
So what happened with Kyle? I mean, you were all there, but what happened with him?
I didn't know if Mark was involved. As much as I wanted to believe that he wasn't, I still could barely look at him.
There's something that you don't know. Whoever it is, you're trying to tell us something.
What haven't you told us?
She never left the island, okay?
He said she woke up that night and felt horrible. She tried to get out of bed, but he wanted her back. She was drunk and she fell. He killed her. He killed her. And she was so innocent.
Innocent. Keep using that word.
Go on. What else did he say?
He said he took her out of the house that night. And Kyle helped him.
I guess we panicked. We buried her body on the other side of the island. We were cruel. We were pricks, but we didn't kill her.
No?
Nobody knew, but me and Kyle.
Well, somebody knows now. And if you didn't tell them, then maybe Kyle did. Show us where you buried her.
Remember to take your pill.
Are my parents
No
coming?
cost, it's fine. Yeah, they called about an hour ago. They'll be here tomorrow midday.
Thank you. I really want to see them. You let me know as soon as I get here.
Sure. What a messed up world. Poor girl, huh?
Who, Regina?
Well, yeah, but Jenna.
You believe her now?
Well, why, you don't?
Did you hear what she said? Innocent. She didn't even know that girl.
Well, it was written on the window, right? She could be confused. She's repeating herself and whatnot. She's been through a lot.
I don't buy it. Too much of her story doesn't add up. Something's wrong here.
Detective.
Yeah.
You might want to take a look at this.
What is it?
It's from the coroner's office.
Thanks.
What is it?
Well, it seems like our friend Keith wasn't the first to go.
Huh.
What is this?
You were right. Looks like someone was expecting us. It's your party. Start digging.
I think I found her.
Kyle?
Hey, is anybody there?
It's Mark. Are you all right?
Yes, Mark, listen to me, okay? It's Keith.
What did you just say?
Keith, he is alive, okay? I'm in the cabin and he's here and...
We need to get down there now.
I'm gonna kill him! I'm gonna kill him!
Let's go.
Come on, you bastard! I'm gonna kill you! Maggie, baby! Megan! It's time! Meg! Help me!
Tyler! Megan!
Oh. Help me!
Man, what's wrong? What's wrong?
Mark, look. Come on, let's get him to the couch.
Appropriate, no?
Mark, do something.
Get the poison out.
Come on, buddy. You just gotta hold in there, okay? We're gonna get you some help, but you just gotta hang in there, okay? Where? I don't know. You gotta have an antidote around here somewhere, right?
Antidote. I would require some forethought. It's the weirdest feeling. I can't feel my mouth. My lips. My tongue. My throat.
Oh my God.
I could have stopped this. That night, I could have stopped all of this.
Look, whoever's doing this is deranged. It's not your fault.
was a glimpse. Literally a fraction of a second. And I knew. I should have known.
When I heard what happened, I wanted to kill them all. Didn't you say my parents are coming? I really want to see my parents. When do they get here?
Soon. I'll be here soon.
We can't do anything for her now. We gotta find Megan, and we gotta get the hell off this island. Just in case.
Let's finish this.
Maggie?
Megan, honey? Oh, God, Mark.
If that's Megan,
We have to know. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Baby, it's okay.
So innocent. Her only crime was that she wanted to be liked by you. That's really all we ever want, isn't it?
Where are you, you son of a bitch? Where's Megan?
Megan's taken care of.
How could I let you all get away with it?
Yeah, why didn't you go to the cops?
And whose word were they believed? You need to suffer. You need to suffer how you lived. Ashley the hottie. Kyle buried under his brother's shadow. And Tyler the snake.
We didn't have anything to do with this.
Bullshit! You're all involved! Jenna knew. She's the one who lives outside her own skin. Regina was good. I knew the first time I saw her. How do you think this past year's been for me? Knowing what my brothers did to her that night. Right here in my backyard. Seeing her parents on the news full of hope that she'd come back home. Her sister crying for her loss.
Keith. You gotta let it go, man. It's Jenna.
You think I can let any of you go?
What about Megan? She's just a little girl. She wasn't even supposed to fucking be here.
Megan's special.
So you killed Keith. Keith's the killer. Is that what you're telling us?
No, I didn't kill Keith. Are you not listening to anything that I'm saying to you? I didn't kill Keith.
Okay, look, we're just saying
No,
that
I know what you're saying, okay? And I see the way that you look at me too, okay? Stop accusing me.
Jana, no one is accusing you anymore, right? We just want to get to the bottom of this. So Keith killed Megan, and you killed Keith in self-defense.
No,
right?
I didn't kill Keith.
Get back here! Get up! Stop!
Jenna, we really need to talk.
Jenna!
It's like trapping a rabbit for skinning. Stop struggling. You're gonna make it worse. This is for Regina. So her sister and me can.
You okay? Yeah, calm me down.
Frank, bye. Parents will be here shortly.
Okay, just hold on a minute, okay? We found Megan's body. But she saved you from Keith, so there's still a piece of the puzzle missing here.
Okay, we gotta find the keys. We checking that. Got it. Oh, thank God. Let's get out of here.
The guy's like obsessed, you know? Like he was insane.
He was insane. He killed everyone like they were nothing.
I can only guess how their families are gonna feel. I mean, imagine if it were your sister.
Do you have a sister?
I had a sister.
Well, it was her. Seeking revenge. She seduced Keith into helping her. She wasn't so innocent. She was avenging the death of her sister. What they did to her? What she thought we were all involved in?
Regina had a sister. I never read this far.
What's the name?
Megan.
Shit. Well, I guess I owe you an apology. How did you get out of there?
I saw it in her eyes. The minute that we stepped onto that boat. I lied when I said I didn't kill anyone. I killed her. I killed Megan. In self-defense.
She was stabbed repeatedly.
All right, look, her parents are gonna be here soon. Why don't you go collect your things and we'll put this thing to bed?
Detective.
Look, I will happily put her in her parents' custody until a DA clears the board on this. I think she's been through enough.
Thank you.
Let me go with you.
I would like that. Here. It's the best I could do for a celebration.
Jenna, something's been bothering me.
What's that, Doctor?
You said you went to grade school with Ashley.
I did? Sorry, this has just all been so confusing.
And I spoke to Mark's parents. They said you and he never dated.
Well, Mark didn't tell his parents everything.
Okay, sure, makes sense. But what about that night that you woke up screaming about Regina? You said she was here in your room. It was clear as day. You said you were positive that it was her.
Strange, isn't it?
How did you know what she looked like?
I'm a very special person, Doctor.
Mr. and Mrs. Campbell?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. You're Detective Armory?
Yes. Oh, we held your daughter mostly for surveillance. She's been through a very difficult ordeal.
But she's okay.
Yeah.
She's okay, isn't she?
No, she's perfectly fine. I mean, she's a little shaken up. But
Why?
Under the circumstances.
Why?
Why what?
Why is Jenna's picture up there?
Jenna's not up there.
Yes, she's right. The one with Megan below it. That's definitely our daughter, Jenna.
And who's this?
Oh.
That's, I don't know her name. The girl whose sister went missing. What was her name?
Oh, Regina, that's right. She was in the news. She's her sister, Megan.
When I heard what happened, I wanted to kill them all.
Just stay here for a moment. I'll be back. Stay with them.
Are you not listening to anything that I'm saying?
She in there?
I lied when I said I didn't kill anyone.
Too much of her story doesn't add up.
Shit. You, get a doctor. I want the building locked down right now.
His will be done.
Believe me, I will find the truth.
Something went sideways in that island.
You're okay. You're all right.
Ride somewhere?
Yeah, that'd be great.
What's your name, baby?
Megan.